friends, this is Michael. Welcome back to my craft room and my YouTube channel. I have a box here and I've been meaning to share this with you. And so today's the day, right? So this is the new welcome box from Stampin' Up. They changed the process for signing up just a tad bit. And so now when you sign up, the first thing you get is this welcome box, and then you get a code to use to place your order for your products. So you don't have to know exactly what you want to order when you get your products or when you sign up. But you do get this fabulous box, and it's meant to encourage you to enjoy the Stampin' Up! Experience and maybe even invite a few friends over. And so let's just kind of go through. I just think they did a great job. I love the colors of the box. It's just kind of a happy box. Now the things that are in here, with the exception of, I believe, the block, none of these things can be purchased by Stampin' Up! So you get this little trash bin that's collapsible. You get this, let me see if I can find where we open it. Here we go. You get this pencil and pen holder, and this you can put your pens and pencils and different things in. And then when you want to use it, you pull it down on the side tabs here. It's got stuffing in it. Let's take that out. And then it stands up. So then you have like a pencil holder that stands up. So that's really a fun little thing. Now, both of those are not available anywhere else, or you can't get them anywhere else. This is, it's official, a note from Sarah, our CEO. A pen. This pen is really nice. It goes with our pen holder. Let's see what else is in here. Now you get a card kit, and this card kit says hello, and there's a walkthrough video if you scan so that you can put these together. And I think it's a great thing to do to either invite people over to come see what you got as new product, or even to encourage people to come over and this be your make and take. I'm not even going to open this up yet. I'm going to leave it here because I don't have a way to keep all the pieces together at the moment. Very exciting to have a new kit just for you when you sign up. This is the stamp set that goes with it. Oh, I think what I thought was shaker elements is actually this little stamp right here. And there's your bird, Stampin' Spot, pretty peacock. And then the only thing that you can actually purchase from Stampin' Up! Is a clear block. And this block helps you create those cards. Now, being a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator doesn't mean that you have to create a business or sell products, but it is a way for you to get a discount on products that you like, and even more a way to craft with other people as you are exploring your creativity. So if you're interested, feel free to message me if you have any questions. I would love to help you with the sign up process and explain to you that we also have a new compensation plan coming in October 1st. So I would want to share that with you before you signed up so you could make a decision about which compensation plan for signing up is the right one for you. Thanks for stopping by. Please hit like if you enjoy my videos. Share with a friend. Maybe you have a buddy that you want to sign up with. And hit that bell so you know when my next video goes live. Thanks.